Hey guys, so this is pretty much our first vlog on our channel, and as you can see I pretty much chopped off all my hair. So I was thinking for this vlog that I could surprise Nate, see how he reacts, and then show you guys. Hopefully it's not bad. I don't know, I mean it looks good. I don't know. It's very different. Sorry about our room. It's kind of a mess. Sorry. Anyways, okay, so yeah. Nate said that he'll be home soon. I know he'll like it. I think it's kind of funny because he's probably gonna be like, why are you recording this? But I just thought it'd be funny, okay? Anyways, all right, we'll see. Hi, baby.
Where's the baby? Oh, you cut it, and it's so cute. It's so pretty.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love that. You look so good. Why do you surprise me like
Because I
this?
wanted to surprise you.
So adorable. I love
You
it.
like it?
I love it. Oh, baby, you look so good. That's so cute, baby. You look great. I love it. You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. You look so good.
I wanted to surprise you because I was recording you.
Oh, fuck.
Oh no, you're not gonna be all cute. Oh.
Got. No, you look adorable. I love it. I got a surprise for you too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Check this out. Plot twist. Come with me over here. Come on.
Shut up.
No, for real. Check it out. I know it's something you've been wanting for a long time.
Stop.
Your whole gym is
Oh
here.
my god. Okay, but now
Your
you're like
whole
showing all the
gym.
garbage in front of our...
Oh, we had a storm last night, so
Oh, but it's all...
it's not
Why
like
is
it's
it-
like this all the time. How do you feel?
Yippee!
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, what the heck? That's so weird. They said that I wasn't gonna come till Wednesday.
Yeah, but I called them and had
Shut
them.
up! Oh my god, get out of here.
I'm full of shit.
Okay.
Here you go.
Bye.
I'm not gonna take that in right now.
Hey guys! So we did not end the last video release, so we're continuing it today while we're building our home gym. There's Nate.
What's up?
Hi baby. And this is all of our shit. Kind of sucks, but Nate's doing a very good job, and I'm helping. Right, babe?
Yeah, I mean, I think once I start, just start. Yeah, it's hard for me to stop.
Yeah, he's really good. Honestly, like I don't
Well, I know, like,
really do anything.
when I'm
but-
trying to like get something done, I might like, you know, like try and like hurry you up or like tell you like, oh, come on, like hold this or like, you know, put that in, whatever. But just because I'm like in that weird mode.
He honestly, what he's trying to say is he does not need me, but I like to help, so it kind of sucks for like both of us. But so I just decided that we'd kind of just record this, and oh, and this is our sad ghetto lamp light in this room because there used to be a fan light in here, but we took it out. So we'll need to get a new light for that. But yeah, so we'll do like a sped up version of us trying to freaking do this. Well, mainly Nate, but I will try. Okay, so we finally finished our freaking cage thingy. It took a little over 2.5 hours. And we stopped filming just so we can finish, and Nate got really grumpy and upset in the middle. So
Yeah. I don't know. I just wanted to get it done, and there was certain things, you know, bolts and stuff weren't lining up with like the manufactured holes that you know, that they're supposed to go through. So it was a lot of like loosening other things, you know, trying to get the angle of the dangle, for those who know. But other than that, it went together pretty easily. It's probably one of the better pieces of, you know, equipment or whatever that you have to build at home that I've put together so far. I mean, all the other stuff for our house doesn't really work out the way you think it's going to.
Yeah, I was just about to say, it's kind of funny, everything that we've had to put together ourselves has been like always a problem, always, and then always in the middle also. Yeah. Nate would get upset.
Well, yeah, and there's like user error or whatever. You know, it could be my fault, but you know, I feel like it's always the manufacturer's fault. Whoever built the shit is doing it. Just,
yeah, I think so too.
They don't buy it.
I think so too.
They don't build it for the buyer's intention, but whatever. This was good. Who's it? Marcy?
Yeah, Marcy Cage. Shout out you guys.
Yeah.
Kinda.
It's good.
It's good. It looks really good, like together, but.
So I guess we'll see once we start using it if it's worth its salt. If it falls apart, then I'm blaming Marcy. I put it together.
We keep looking over here because the cage is like right behind there. So
yeah, it's all set up in all of its glory. So
no, it looks super good.
Yeah, you wanna turn the
Oh yeah. There she is. That's Marcy. And her getaway.
Oh, Marcy.
Yeah. Yeah, we also just wanted to do this real quick so we can finally have an outro to our videos because we don't really.
We just keep forgetting, I think.
Yeah. We just, obviously you guys all know that we've been moving in, so we've just been kind of busy trying to get a little piece of furniture and all that, and we keep trying to make sure we vlog when we go shopping, but
never do.
We never do.
Yeah.
We never do.
There's a lot of funny stuff that Maisha says and does that we haven't captured yet, so well, one of these days I'll be able to get the camera.
He's talking about himself because
record how goofy you are in public.
Okay, no. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I was gonna say something though. Dang it. Oh, yeah. What I was gonna say was that I know everyone keeps asking about seeing the house. So, I mean, I guess we'll just have to end up doing that because it's just really hard for us to remember to vlog while we go buy stuff. Especially, I mean, I'm sure anyone who's tried vlogging in public, it's very awkward. So every time I even think about it, it's just kind of weird. At least, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if I could do it.
That's how you felt about it.
Yeah, I think I'd be the most uncomfortable person trying to do that.
Yeah, he really actually didn't even want to do this. He was shy in front of the camera, but
yeah,
not really. I mean, not really. You're just, I think it's just kind of weird talking.
I think it's like knowing that I'm videotaping myself.
Yeah.
That I'm gonna see it.
I think.
Rewatch myself act. I know it's just gonna be uncomfortable, but if it's what's it, like candid, right?
Yeah, that's true.
If someone just pulls out a camera and like, oh, like do something funny, like that's easy, because you're never gonna see it again.
Yeah,
it's probably
that's
like a
true.
10-second,
that's true.
you know, Vine or
Vine.
Or something.
Whoa.
But yeah,
we still have Vine, guys. No, I think it's actually, for me, it's more comfortable. I think when you're like here with me. I mean, I've only tried vlogging by myself once, but it was very awkward, and I feel better like having you at least to talk with me. Anyways, okay.
that's it.
Yeah, so.
It's a wrap.
Yep. We were gonna do a talk about my hair again, but it's kind of late now. It's almost like.
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30,
yeah.
so.
Yeah.
And he was pretty much doing everything, so he was tired, and I'm just tired of watching.
Anyways, good night.
Okay, bye!